Kuzangpo, in a proud moment of Bhutanese sport, Bhutan Football Federation celebrates 25 years of official membership with FIFA. The Silver Jubilee is not just a sporting, it represents a national journey of dedication, development and dream realized through football.
Ex-national players like me, so many others, this is where actually they at least they regarded us and they remember us. It wasn't a moment for us to come together, see each other after a long time. Because after we retire from football, then everybody has to lead their own life. So there's some of them stay in different places. So that way we hardly meet to each other. So this was one of the good opportunities that we come together, see each other and talk to each other. It was really a nice moment.
The 25th anniversary of Bhutan's FIFA membership was celebrated over 2 days. On the second day, the football carnival was celebrated, featuring fun games, interacting students and exciting football activities. From heartfelt reunion to hopeful beginnings, the two-day events honor not just the past 25 years, but the spirit that will carry the game forward.
And it is a good opportunity for us to meet all our old mates, all the legends. So if you look at it today, you will see the past, the legend, and the future, the upcoming young players. So we see a huge difference in that.
When I was head of the grassroots and youth head, I got the award from the AFC from the grassroots award. Then we have joined the charter, AFC charter membership also. We got the bronze. Then later on, I got the silver also. Till last year, I was working in the technical. Now.
The celebration concluded with gala dinner and award night, bringing together the Bhutanese community for a night of reflection, recognition and celebration. This is Touch Song from Bhutan Today News.